Hi guys, I'm back again with a new video. So in today's video, I want to share with you my first impression about this lip tint from Etude house. So this is the glow fixing tint, and the color that I bought is number 7, which is called Cold Fuschia. The net weight is 3.8 gram, and I bought this for around $10. I think it's quite normal, not too expensive and not too cheap, so somewhere in the middle. And this is how the lip tint looks, and this is how the applicator looks. So the applicator is quite stiff and it's slanted a little bit, and the applicator is white. So for your reference, this is how the applicator for peripera looks like compared to the Etude house one. So the texture of the peripera applicator is a little more softer than this one. Anyways, as for the color, this is how the color looks. So the color is like a very bright pink color, and it's leaning more on bluish tone. The shine is not very dramatic, but it does give a little bit of shine. So I think for daily use it can be suitable for daily use. This is how it looks, and I'm currently using this on my lips for this video. Compared to my other lip gloss, this one is not very sticky, and it lasts longer than my other lip glosses. So although after I'm eating, the shine does disappear, but the stain is still on my lips, and it's quite pigmented, which I really like. But the thing is, this color, I'm not sure if it's only on my lips, but on a certain lighting, sometimes the lip tint may look more red than pink. Actually, I'm looking for a pink lip tint, so I need some time to get used to the color, but overall I think it's quite nice. So because my lips it's quite dark, this color actually looks nice on me because the color came out naturally. And yeah, overall I'm quite satisfied with the products because the lip tint is not overly sticky and lasts longer than my standard lip gloss. And also the color I think is quite pigmented, so if you have dark lips like me, I'm pretty sure the color will came out for the number 7 one. So anyways, I think that's it for today. I hope the review is useful. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye bye.